I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, take a fresh CR 2032 and set your AirTag face down on a flat surface so parts don't roll away. Press firmly on the stainless steel back while turning counterclockwise. That motion releases the cover without forcing delicate tabs. Once the cover moves, lift it straight up and remove the old battery using a fingertip or soft tool. You're opening to gain access quickly and safely. This prevents damage to the plastic casing and keeps internal contacts clean for the next steps. Now focus on the how and why. Lift out the spent CR 2032 and inspect the contact area for any grime or bent metal because poor contact causes intermittent power. Insert the new cell with the plus sign facing up so the internal spring and plate make correct contact. You'll feel it seat snugly. Press gently to ensure it sits flat. If you see dust, wipe with a dry, lint-free cloth. Don't use liquids or metal picks, because contamination impedes electrical connection, and finish by aligning the cover tabs and pressing down while rotating clockwise until the stainless back snaps into place. This secures the seal and prevents future rattles. Once reassembled, bring the AirTag near your iPhone and open the Find My app to confirm it appears and reports as active. If it does not connect, make sure the battery is oriented correctly. If still dead, remove and press the battery down firmly until you hear a chime 5 times to perform a reset. Then try reconnecting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.